To adjust quick settings panel on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you will have to just open it like so and click on this icon. And now what we can do. First of all, when you get this small band icons, we can drag them to the left or the right side to make some specific tiles bigger or smaller. We can also delete them by clicking here, just like this, or we can change its position by clicking, holding, and dragging wherever we want. Now, you can even add here some controls by clicking here, for example, to take a screenshot. And right now, as I told you, you can just simply change its size and change its position. But also we can adjust all of those small shortcuts, this area. So if I want to delete them, I have to click here. But if I want to add some shortcuts into this one, for example, the screenshot, I have to click and hold it, drag, release. And now this screenshot shortcut will be inside this. Take a look. Now I'm dragging this here and click and hold it, drag, there we go. Click done. Now click done, and as you can see, I can take a screenshot with my new shortcut. And if I want to reset this panel, I have to click here, click to the panel settings, go here, click to reset quick panel layout, click reset, and it will be finished.